Lakewood, every gas line issue demands immediate action because your family's safety and comfort depend on it. Belmar Lake Plumbing powers through every repair and replacement job with lightning-fast response and unmatched expertise. When you smell gas, hear a hiss, or suspect a leak, our certified technicians spring into action, arriving ready with advanced detection tools and specialized equipment to locate and fix the problem on the spot. We handle everything from minor repairs to full system replacements, ensuring your home's gas lines meet the highest safety standards. Our team works clean, communicates clearly, and follows every local code so you can breathe easy knowing your system is secure. When outdated pipes need upgrading, we recommend durable materials and modern installation techniques that deliver reliable performance for years to come. Imagine the confidence of flipping on your stove or firing up your heater without a second thought, because you chose Lakewood's trusted gas line experts. That's the peace of mind Belmar Lake Plumbing guarantees: rapid diagnosis, precise repairs, and total compliance with industry regulations. Don't wait for danger to strike. For homes and businesses across Lakewood, our gas line repair and replacement service is the proactive choice that protects your property, prevents emergencies, and keeps your daily routines on track. When you need speed, skill, and a local team who cares, call Belmar Lake Plumbing. We're here to secure your gas lines and restore your comfort fast.